How does public calendar events work and how to use them? Meeedly Public Calendar Events allow you to automate meeting scheduling using a shareable booking link. Instead of manually coordinating availability, you can define your meeting setup once and let others book time with you based on your predefined rules. When creating a public calendar event, you decide who will host the meeting, when you are available, how long each meeting should be, and how far into the future bookings can be made. Once configured, Meetly generates a booking link that you can share with participants. They can open the link, view available time slots, and select a time that works for them, without needing a Meetly account. Public calendar events are ideal for recurring and structured meetings, such as recruitment interviews, sales calls, partner meetings, customer consultations, and mentorship sessions. Instead of repeatedly sharing your availability, you simply share your booking link. Meetly provides three types of public calendar events to suit different scheduling needs. General event: a one-to-one event with a single host and one or more invitees. Best suited for meetings such as coffee chats, one-to-one interviews, or consultations. Collective event: an event with multiple hosts and one or more invitees. Meetly analyzes the availability of all hosts and only suggests time slots when everyone is available, which is ideal for panel interviews, group meetings, or joint sales calls. Round robin event: a rotating event with multiple hosts. Instead of requiring all hosts to be available, Meetly assigns meetings to the next available host. This allows multiple meetings to be booked at the same time across different hosts. Perfect for scenarios such as high volume interviews, inbound sales calls, or support requests.